Determine the value of P and Q if x minus 1 and x plus 2 are factors of 2xq plus p x squared minus x plus q. Now, using remainder theorem, now if f of x is 2xq plus p x squared minus x plus q, and let's say x minus a is a factor of f of x, so that means f of x will now be equal to x minus a times the quotient when you divide the f of x with this, plus remainder. Now, since f of x, since x minus a is a factor of f of x, then the remainder r is equal to 0. So f of x will be equal to x minus a times the quotient, that is, this is the divisor times the quotient plus remainder. So this will be equal to this, and at point x minus a equal to 0, if you add plus a to both sides, this will cancel out. You have x is equal to a. So at x equal to a, so f of x at x equal to a, which is equal to f of a, is equal to 0. Is equal to 0 times q, because now if you substitute x equal to a in this expression, so you have f of a. If you put a here, a minus a is 0, so 0 times q, 0 times the quotient is equal to 0. So that means f of a equal to 0. Now that means we have this as factors. So for x minus 1 that is equal to 0, you have plus 1 equal to plus 1. So if you cancel out this, you are left with x is equal to 1. Now that means f of x at x equal to 1 is f of 1, which is equal to, if you put 1 here, you have 1 raised to power 3 plus p times 1 raised to power 2 minus 1 plus q. So this is equal to 0 since f of 1 is equal to 0. Now equal to 0, so 0 is equal to, this is 2 plus p minus 1 plus q equal to 0. So we now have p plus q plus 1 equal to 0. So this is same thing as adding minus 1 to both sides. You have p plus q is equal to, this will cancel out, equal to minus 1. Let's call this equation 1. And the next one, you have factor of x plus 2. So that means x plus 2. So where this factor is equal to 0, so x will be what? We have minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So this, you add minus 2 to both sides, this will cancel out. We're left with x at the left hand side equal to minus 2. So f of minus 2 will be equal to 0. So we have f of x to be x cubed plus p x squared minus x plus q. So 2 times minus 2x cubed plus p minus 2 square, p times minus p minus 2 minus 2 plus q is equal to 0. So wherever we see x, we replace it with minus 2. Now we have minus 2q is minus 8. So minus 8 times 2 will give you minus 16 plus minus 2 squared is 4. 4 times p will be 4p. It will be 4p. Then minus times minus 2 will give you plus 2 plus q equal to 0. So we have 4p plus q minus 14 equal to 0. So because minus 16 plus 2 is minus 14. So if you add plus 14 to both sides, this will cancel out. We have 4p plus q is equal to 14. This is equation 2. Now let me write out equation 1. Equation 1. So using substitution method, or can use elimination method, whichever, but let me use substitution method because we have coefficients of p and q which is equal to 1. So you use substitution method if one of the coefficient of the variable is equal to 1. So we have 2 that is equal to 1. So what I will do now is from equation 1, I will add minus q to both sides. Now this will cancel out this. So from equation 1 I have this equal to p equal to minus q minus 1. So I can call this equation 3. So substituting equation 3 into equation 2. Now wherever I see p, I will substitute it with minus q minus 1. So I have 4p. So this 4p will change to 4 into minus q minus 1. Then write out this other term that is in the equation. So 4 times minus q will give you minus 4q. 4 times minus 1 will give you minus 4 plus q equal to 14. We now have minus 4q. Let me add the like terms. Now let me add the like terms. I have minus 4q plus q, which will give me minus 3q. Then bring down this minus 4 and 14. Now in this equation, if I add plus 4 to both sides, this will cancel out this. I'm left with minus 3q equal to 18, because 14 plus 4 is 18. Now if I divide all through by minus 3, this will cancel out this. I'm left with q here, which will be equal to 18 plus 18 divided by minus 3 will give me plus minus 6, sorry, give me minus 6. So that means wherever I see q, I will replace it with minus 6. So I'll substitute q equal to minus 6 in equation 3. So equation 3, p is equal to minus q minus 1. So wherever I see q, I will substitute it with minus 6 minus 1. So minus times minus 6 will give you 6 minus 1 will give you 6. So it's 6. So we have 6 minus 1, which is 5. That means our p is equal to 5. So this is the final answer. P is equal to 5. Equal to 5. So this is the final answer. So let me end it here. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.